The public had a chance to weigh in on development of the former Perry public housing complex.
The Buffalo Planning Board has just approved a $200 million project that'll hopefully transform that area of the city, or at least make it usable again. Our Jeff Pruval joins us now live at City Hall with the details. Jeff.
Yes, that plan was just approved by the Planning Board. It was approved after a public hearing on this massive project, which would remove a massive piece of blight in the city of Buffalo. Now, the BMHA is now moving ahead with plans to demolish 24 abandoned buildings which make up the Commodore Perry homes. They've been boarded up for years and have been a huge eyesore. They've also been a haven for vandalism. BMHA officials, along with their development team, want to put up 27 buildings of affordable housing, which would bring more than 400 units, 405 units to be exact, with retail and commercial space as well. The new housing units would be made available to people who range in income, but would primarily be for people who are low income. The units would range in size from 1-bedroom to 5-bedroom apartments.
This is a mammoth and really transformational project. This is a multi-year, multi-phase revitalization of an entire community. I assume that there will be hiccups along the way. I assume there will be surprises, but we've got great developer partners.
So with today's approval, the BMHA now will move to demolition, which is expected to start this winter. Officials say that the land there has already been remediated. Construction would take 3 years. And of course, there's been a lot of talk over the years of a new Bill Stadium being located on the land where the Perry projects are located. But of course, that is not happening. Now, total cost of this project, again, is $200 million. That would be made up using BMHA funds, also state and federal funds. Live outside Buffalo City Hall tonight, I'm Jeff Pruval, News 4.